Hey there, Teach enthusiasts. Welcome back to Techi. Today we're diving into a fundamental skill every Android user should know: how to turn on USB debugging. USB debugging is a developer tool that opens a world of possibilities when connecting your Android device to a computer. From controlling your mobile device using your PC to mirror, playing Android game on a larger screen, it's a gateway to advanced functions that can enhance your Android experience. With USB, you gain the power to control your mobile device from your mirror, play Android games on a larger screen, smooth file transfers, app testing and development, advanced debugging, and troubleshooting. However, there's a flip side. USB debugging can expose your device to potential risks like unauthorized access, security vulnerabilities, and data mishaps. Now, let's learn how to turn on USB debugging. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Find Build Number. Tap it 7 times to unlock Developer Options. Go back to Settings. Now you'll see Developer Options. Open Developer Options. Toggle on USB debugging. And there you have it. You've unlocked the power of USB debugging. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. USB debugging can be a game changer, but it's crucial to weigh its pros and cons. Stay tech savvy and hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Techi for more insightful tech tutorials. Until next time, happy debugging.